Pop-up windows can be useful in providing map users additional information about a location or a feature on your map. Under the layer that you want to enable pop-ups, click the Pop-up tab. There are two types of pop-ups on CARTO. Click pop-ups requires a click on the feature, and hover pop-ups will show up when you hover your mouse on it. You can use both click and hover pop-ups for the same layer to convey different information. Let's try that for the student housing layer. I'm going to use hover pop-ups to only show the basic information of the student hall, and with click, I want to show additional information. If the user is interested, then they can click to see more. First, choose a style, then choose the attributes you want to show in the pop-up window. I want to show only the name of the student hall with hover pop-up. And with a click pop-up, choose a different style. You can change the window size if you want. I want to show the name, the number of GSU buildings within 10 minutes walking distance, and the average walking time to all GSU buildings. Now let's publish the changes and see how it looks. Now you can see when I hover my mouse over a student housing location, it shows the name of the student hall. And if I click on one of those, it shows a more detailed pop-up window with the name, the number of GSU buildings in 10 minutes walking distance, and the average walking time to other GSU buildings. But the column names shown here, 2 break 10, mean total, they're not very intuitive. So I know what they mean, but a map user wouldn't know necessarily what these numbers mean. Now let's further configure our pop-ups so it's more intuitive. Come back, enter student housing and pop-up. You see these are the fields next to the attributes you selected for your pop-up. These are the titles that are displayed in your pop-ups. So I'm going to change this because name is pretty self-explanatory. And I changed 2 break 10 to number of GSU buildings within 10 minutes of walking. This is the average walking time to all GSU buildings. Alright, now you can just see from here, okay, your pop-up has updated and it looks a lot less confusing. I can also drag these fields to reorder them in the pop-up. Right, now you see this is showing first